Hi, I'm Adam Leverage with Top Local TV, and I'm here with Dr. Boyd Simkins from Castle Creek Pediatric Dentistry. How are you today, Dr. Simkins?
Doing well, Adam. Thanks.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this session. We're going to be talking about how to find the best pediatric dentist in the Ogden, Utah area, or really anywhere in particular. And Dr. Simkins is a pediatric dentist actually in Ogden. And Dr. Simkins, you know, if somebody were looking for a pediatric dentist really anywhere, or more particularly in the Ogden area, what advice would you give them on really what they should be looking for?
You know, one of the best resources for finding a dentist, I mean, of course, is word of mouth. You know, there are a lot out there, and it's tough to just pick out of an insurance book. So, you know, talk to your friends, talk to people who have been there. You can use the reviews online. Sometimes tough to find, but you know, something that can do. The other thing I would say is, you know, just make sure that you're comfortable with that dentist. You know, go in. If they're in business, they'll let you come in and just take a peek. You know, even kind of walk around and do those kind of happy visits. You know, sometimes. So, you know, look into it, visit them, make sure that they get along well with the kids, and that's the big thing.
Okay, excellent. And you know, if somebody doesn't kind of do their homework then in advance and really make sure that they're going to find a pediatric dentist that's going to work well with their kids, I mean, what types of challenges could they run into?
You know, a bunch of things. You know, the hardest would be someone who isn't necessarily in it for the kids, and you'll be able to tell quickly when you go into the office. But you know, just like anything else, if you're uncomfortable, always get a second opinion. That's my best advice on that.
Well, and that's really good advice. So if somebody were going to you know, if somebody were looking for a pediatric dentist in the Ogden area and came to your office, you know, what type of experience should they expect?
Well, every child's a little bit different, you know, and we have some that come in and they're, you know, happy as can be, and some that are apprehensive, you know. And what you need to watch is just watch how the staff and how the dentist interacts with the child. See how your child reacts. Even though some children, because they're nervous or scared, will sometimes cry and be a little bit upset. Generally, by the time that we get done and the time they leave, you'll know how everything went. You know, most kids are super excited to come back. You know, with ours, you know, they get a little prize and a crown, and they've got their name up on the board, and those are just the little things that the kids will remember and make them excited to get back to see the dentist again.
Excellent. Well, that's great advice. Now, Dr. Simkins, I know that your practice does some special things for new patients. Tell us a little bit about that.
We have two offers where we have a free kindergarten exam. Weber County, where we are, it's required for school, for kindergarten, to have an exam before we start. And then also, we're just trying to get the kids in early. You know, prevention is what pediatric dentistry is all about. So the earlier we get the kids in, the better. So, you know, under 2, we like to bring the kids in for free, just so we can, you know, take a peek, make sure everything's going well, have some education with the parents, so we can avoid problems in the future. You know, other than that, you know, when the kids come in, we always try and make it special for them. We make it nice and comfortable, make sure they have a good time. You know, it's about 2 steps forward, not 2 steps back. So we want to make them feel, you know, as welcome and have as much fun as possible.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you so much, you know, for your advice and for your time today, Dr. Simkins. It's been a real pleasure having you on.
All right. Well, thank you, Adam. I appreciate it.